And so I'm gonna have you look to the left. Go face down.
I started in Austin, Texas. I was in a car accident.
Okay.
And then I moved here and I was looking for a chiropractor, and they happened to be at a bridal seminar, whatever you call it. And then they gave me the card, and then I started coming here. It was totally different from what I experienced in Austin. So when I came here, I mean, they did all the x-rays and all the other machinery that they do on you is different from in Austin. So when I came here, the way they adjust you is totally different. I love the way they adjust here. I like how they care for their patients and explaining everything in detail with what's going on with your body.
So we're starting off by looking at the length of Selena's legs here. And so her right leg is shorter than the left, and what that tells us is there's a reaction that her brain is controlling. So when the spinal bones misalign, your brain's always aware of where your spinal joints are. So when it misaligns, your brain's gonna contract the muscles around that area, which will cause a chain reaction and end up causing one leg to look shorter than the other. So we call this a functional short leg. And so our aim is not only to identify the short leg, but we know that we've corrected the primary irritation of the nervous system once those legs balance out. So that's what we're looking at every single time we start our adjustments. So we're gonna start here, and we look at Selena's legs, and her right leg is shorter than the left. And so go ahead and look to the right for me. And it stays short, look to the left, and it balances. Go face down. So when she's looking to the left, legs are balancing. So this tells me that we have a spinal bone somewhere in her neck that is out of alignment, creating some irritation, and we need to contact something on the right side of her neck to correct it. So I've just got to figure out where exactly we need to go. And so I'm gonna have you look to the left. Go face down. All right, so right leg is short, still. Look to the left one more time, and go face down. And so I'm putting some pressure in the right side of her pelvis, and when I put that pressure there, her legs are balancing, tells me exactly what we need to do to correct the pelvis here. That loud noise, we're actually using drops in our table that absorb a lot of the force, make it much more gentle on the body. Okay, we're feeling pretty equal there for restriction. So the whole time here, as I'm feeling her spine, I'm also keeping my eyes on her x-rays so I understand the structure of her spine and what we're shooting to correct here. There we go. You are all set.